change on a Mustang GT. Put the car on the ramp. Next up, locate the drain bowl and remove. Stop number 3. Pull the cap. I'm removing an oil filter with my hands.
Good job.
Next step, we are going to fill up the car with brand new oil. Next up, put the cap back on. Go ahead and pull out the dipstick. Look at that. And then we start cleaning the dipstick. My name is Grace Lynn, and I did an oil refill on the Mustang GT. And if you like this video, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.